What's up, guys? Got the GT350 loaded up, taking it tomorrow to Brent Speed to get the 409s installed. We picked up some Ethanol One R a couple of days ago. Once we get the 409s installed, we're gonna order a different set of wheels and get the 28-inch tall bias plies installed on it. Shorten up the exhaust a little bit. We're gonna run it basically off of the connection pipes up front to lose a little bit of weight, but I figured I'd make a video, show you guys kind of what we got going on and bring you guys along the way. Thanks for watching. It is 6:30. We are headed to the shop to get the 409s installed on the Shelby. It's definitely early. I haven't been up this early in a long time. There's that man right there. Alrighty. Made it to Brent Speed. And here we are. Pretty cool looking place. Nice shop. Big area. Got some cool cars here. Not bad. Pretty cool. Well, we made it to Brent Speed. Just got here getting ready to install the 409s, dropping the car off. Should be done today. Just got here, it's about 7 o'clock. Straps is loose. In the front anyway. Pretty nice shop. Ready to go test drive this new body. It's a 355 stick shift. Do some no lift shifts, see what she does. came to pick the car up from Brent Speed. Got the gears in. We just went on a test drive. I'm gonna take it down the road real quick and make sure everything's good before I load it up. And next, you guys will see some wide open throttle pulls. Well, got the 409s installed in the car, and I took it on a test drive, and I just did a few 2.3s, and I hit a 4 on one pull, and the car is a whole lot happier. So thanks to Brent Speed and all the guys over here for taking care of me. See you guys soon.
Water.